Differential calculus. So differentiation, you can consider this as the mean value of the gradient, like this. And it's actually a limit when the delta x is going to 0. That's another way of looking at it. And these are examples of how you calculate differential coefficient of y into sine x. These are another example of two functions, f times y differentiation, or f divided by g differentiation. And these are some other example differentiation coefficient of the inverse circular function. And if a function f(x) is differentiated, you can differentiate the exist, then it have to be a continuous function. If f(x) is not a continuous function, the differentiation is not differentiable. However, if it is a continuous function, doesn't mean it's differentiable. And these are examples. These are continuous function, but at this point, it's actually not differentiable. These are two series, Lorentz series. If fa and fv equal to 0, then in the interval of a and b, there will be a maximum. So f prime c equal to 0, differential of fc equal to 0. First mean value theory, if a and b is not equal to 0, you can find a differentiable that equal to fb minus fa divided by b minus a. Later on, I will show you in the book there's extended for mean value theory. These are giving you some example. For example, differentiation of f and x equal to sine 3x is like this. And these are another example here. You can differentiate a function many times if it is differentiable. So it can be all the way to the n. And these are the equation for a function u times v and differential coefficient of function u times v. And this is called higher order, higher derivative. And these are some examples of using higher derivative. The differentiation can be used to find the maximum and the minimum. You can find the critical point like this from the first derivative. And from the second derivative, you can find the inverse point, inflection point. And this is concave up, this is concave down. These are give you many examples of finding the derivative or using the derivative. These are more examples here. And these are more examples. These are more examples. Now I will give you some more information from book. These are differentiation. These are definition of derivative, and these are slope of a curve. And you can see it's increasing or decreasing and how it behaves. And you can do higher derivative. So the derivative actually is another function. So you can do double derivative or triple derivative. And these are just show you some curve and their derivative, first, second, third, something like that. And actually you can even use a mirror to find the graph. And let's see the mean value theory. So these are what I'm saying, the extended mean value theory, and it's listed like this. And these are, we already mentioned, this mean value theory. And these are the definition of a differentiation of